Hello everyone, welcome to ChemOrgChem. Today we are launching a new series which named as NEET Chemistry 360 where we are going to explore previous year NEET Chemistry questions. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Let's see what's our first problem. So this is the question from NEET 2024. According to this question, this alkene is converted into this aldehyde. So here you see there are four options are given. Let's figure out together which one is the correct option for this question. So let's see one by one the all the reagents. So this is the first option. When you take the water in the presence of acid, which readily produce hydronium ion. So here you see oxygen has two lone pair of electron. One of its lone pair of electron donated to H plus, which produce hydronium ion. This hydronium ion react with alkene by Markovnikov rule. According to the Markovnikov rule, the hydrogen is ordered with the carbon most hydrogen. So here you see in this alkene, these two carbon only going to involve in this reaction. So in these two carbon, this carbon has most hydrogen, CH2. Therefore, one of the hydrogen is ordered with this carbon by Markovnikov rule. But in magnetically, so here you see this pi electron attack the hydrogen, then followed by this electron move towards to the oxygen, which produce this carbocation intermediate. So this carbocation intermediate quickly react with water, which produce secondary alcohol. So the secondary alcohol react with chromium trioxide in the second step, which produce ketone. In general, chromium trioxide oxidizes primary alcohol to carboxylic acid, secondary alcohol to ketone. However, when you use trichromium trioxide, which oxidizes primary alcohol to aldehyde. So based on our question, alkene converted into aldehyde. Therefore, so this option is not a correct option for this question. Let's moving on our second option. So our second option, the first step, the reaction of borane. So the reaction of borane with alkene, which follows the anti-Markovnikov rule. According to the anti-Markovnikov rule, hydrogen is ordered with the carbon has less hydrogen. So here you see, so in these two carbon, so this carbon has less hydrogen, therefore hydrogen is ordered to this carbon and remaining BH2 ordered into this carbon, which produce this corresponding borane intermediate. So now you see this intermediate has BH2, so which quickly react with two molecule of alkene, so which produce this trialkyl borane. So this trialkyl borane in second step react with hydrogen peroxide in the presence of base, which produce primary alcohol. This primary alcohol in the third step react with pyridinium chlorochromate, which produce this aldehyde. So based on our question, this answer, it seems to be correct answer for this question. However, we should see the remaining option, then we can say confidently this is the correct option for this question. So let's moving on our third option. The third option somewhat similar to our second option. So here you see the first two steps are similar to our previous option. So based on that, so after the second step that produce primary alcohol, in the third step, which react with alkaline KMN4, here alkaline KMN4 act as a oxidant, which produce potassium carboxylate. When you treat with acid in the next step, which produce this corresponding carboxylic acid. So this option also not correct option for this question. Let's moving on our final option. So here you see the first step, which is similar to our first option. So the reaction of water in the presence of acid, that means that addition of water to alkene. So this one we already seen in our first option, which produce secondary alcohol. So the secondary alcohol react with pyridinium chlorochromate in the second step, which produce ketone product. In general, PCC oxidizes primary alcohol to aldehyde and secondary alcohol to ketone. Therefore, this option also not correct. So based on our discussion, among the four options, the correct option for this question is answer 2. That's it for today's problem. By breaking down the problem step by step and understanding each reaction condition, we have identified the correct reagent. So I hope this explanation has helped you are understanding this question. If you enjoyed this video, and give it thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. And finally, thanks for watching. Bye bye.